Alrighty guys, so got my heat gun. Gonna go ahead and you can just see how bad these windows are. Passenger and driver window. How blue it is. All the scratches. Come over this side, you can see it's even worse. Whoever did this tint's a fucking idiot. It's fucking blue or fucking bubbles. Horrible, horrible job. Okay, we're gonna get to it. Basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the heat gun on the outside. We go along and get something sharp and peel it off from obviously the inside. Because you know that's where it's at, it's on the inside. Get as much glue off as we can, bring it down. There's a Cummins. Oh fuck, I think it's nice. And go along, heat it up. It's a lot cooler in the shop than it is outside, so. Alright, I'm gonna see if I can't set this camera up. Alright, so now we got the tint off basically. There's just the glue left. You can see, you can't even see out that window. So basically I got some degreaser, and you can use a soap if I can reach it. This is all purpose. We're just gonna spray down here. So yeah, it's gonna soap. It's gonna collect most of that gunk, hopefully. Basically, I'm leaving the tint on the bottom because it's gonna collect all of the nasty goop and everything that from that adhesive. So yeah, basically we're gonna let that kind of sit. Hopefully get as much off as we can. Just spray it down. A little more, give it some more. That one was actually pretty decent. I mean, there's little spots here and there's a spot down here. Otherwise, it's gonna be kind of a bitch to get that one off. It might be kind of simple because I can angle the smoker window out. That side, I don't know if I'll have enough room to record that side, but basically, you get the general idea. It's pretty easy. I got lucky. Whoever didn't tint the back window on the truck. Disclaimer: when I do get this truck tinted again, it will be professionally done. I am not tinting. I tinted the truck, my red Dodge, I tinted that and it turned out okay, but it wasn't perfect. And I want this truck to be as good as I can get it, so I'm gonna have somebody else do that. Like I said, I do know how to tint, it's just not very well, not as good as a professional, obviously. So basically after this, we're gonna get kind of a razor, if I can find a razor, and start just scraping as much goop and glue as we can. Because we don't want there to be much at all, so I'm just gonna kind of get down there in the door jam. But anyways, yeah, so that's where I'm at. Alrighty, so we got it off for the most part. I think I'm gonna need a new window because it just seems like this thing has too many scratches on it. And that's especially on the outside, these scratches here. It's really hard to see, but yeah, it wasn't too hard. We got it. I'm gonna wash the truck down real quick. Maybe try to adjust the hinges for the hood and get that straight. So, thinking about painting these wheels black. I'm not sure. You see they got a little bit of rust starting. These used to be on my red truck and I painted these. And it looks decent. I mean, they're dirty because they've been sitting, but it came out pretty decent. They're pretty easy to do, so I might throw these on. I don't know. Kind of rock the black look, I'm not sure. I don't know, I'm thinking about it. I like the silver, but at the same time I do like the black the same. And you know, they clean up real nice, so. Alrighty guys, I think that'll be about it for this video. I'm wore out. So I just need to get this side done, and I'll be finished with that. Hopefully have a window tint coming soon.